Hey, it's Chucky here from sojournerscholar.com. So I've just received my material set from the Princeton Reviews MCAT 515 Plus course, and I'm going to be doing an unboxing to see what's in here, just to give you an idea of what you get when you purchase this course, because let's be honest, this is quite an expensive course. So if you're buying the course, you at least want to know what you're getting. Now, in the description section below, you're going to find a detailed review of this course based on our experience using this course over several weeks. So check out the links in the description section below to see a full detailed review of this course. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the box and let's see what we have. It is pretty heavy. I want to say it's about 15 pounds, 15 to 20 pounds. And let's see. So the first book in here is the MCAT Biology Review, the 3rd edition. So this book comes with 3 full-length online practice tests for those who are preparing for the MCAT Biology. And then the other book in here is the MCAT Biochemistry Review, the 2nd edition. Also comes with 3 full-length online practice tests. Let's see, the next book in here is the MCAT General Chemistry Review, the 4th edition. Also comes with 3 full-length online practice tests. And now we got book number 4. Book number 4 is the MCAT Organic Chemistry Review, the 4th edition. Also comes with 3 full-length practice tests. Then you have book number 5. This is the MCAT Physics and Math Review, the 4th edition. That also comes with 3 full-length online practice tests as well. And then you have the MCAT Critical Analysis and Reasoning Skills Review, the 3rd edition, with 3 full-length online practice tests. Book number 7, we have the MCAT Psychology and Sociology Review, the 4th edition. Book number 8. At book number 8, we have the MCAT In-Class Compendium. All right, we have this little pamphlet here, the MCAT Science Review Questions and Solutions. So not quite a textbook, but just extra bit of material for reviewing questions and answer explanations. And then you get a little Sharpie that comes in your delivery as well. And you get this 8.5 inch by 14 inch sheet that you can use to take your practice tests. It's going to be similar to a 14 inch by 8.5 inch sheet that you're going to be using when you take the real MCAT. So at least you get to practice with the exact same materials that you're going to be using on the day of your real MCAT exam. And that's what you get with a purchase of the MCAT 515 Plus from the Princeton Review. Once again, make sure to check out our detailed review of this course linked in the description section below.